Hi and welcome to HandyBear. Today I will show you how you can dye your tools black. This process is simple and will give your tools a stylish new look. The first step is to gather the necessary supplies. You will need 4 liters of water, black red dye for synthetic materials, and acetone. Now to get started, we can disassemble the tool. For that it's really easy, you just need to remove all the screws, and whenever there is a part that seems to be hard to put back together, to be sure, take a photo and archive it. It will probably come in handy later. Next you can clean the plastic with some brake cleaner. This will make sure that any greases from fingers or dirt or anything like that is completely removed from the plastic, so that the dye can do its job evenly. Now pour 4 liters of water into a large container and add 2 doses of black red dye. And 2 doses of acetone. Bring to a boil and then put your plastic pieces in the liquid. Boil for a minimum of 30 minutes. And flip the pieces to avoid any air bubbles. Once the process is complete, remove your tools and quickly wash them in some soapy water to remove any loose pigment and make sure that the plastic won't stain your hands later. Finally, reassemble the tool using the photos you took earlier. Now you should know that different materials can react differently. From what I've seen on the internet, some people have used this method on some other brands of tools like Milwaukee, and they didn't get a perfect black, but rather a darker shade of red, so like a purple. So yeah, each plastic will act differently. Also now, for some security aspects, do this process outside or in a very well ventilated area, because the acetone evaporates and so that can be a bit dangerous if you breathe that in. As you can see, the tools have now turned a beautiful shade of black. I really like how this looks. I think it's a lot more mature than the green plastic we had in the start. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Take care and I will see you in the next one.